Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid. This vehicle we installed an anti-theft pin code system, the IGLA anti-theft. Many customers are asking us, will my remote starter still work? So first thing, we're going to answer that question and we're going to show you. So I just sent a command for the vehicle for the remote starter. As you can see, the vehicle received the command. Let's go ahead and... You can see the car started. System is in ready mode. The vehicle is engaged and ready to drive. For remote starter is warming up your car. Now in this car, once you open the door, the car shut down. So by doing so, we know that the car cannot be driven away. Now we're going to try to start it regularly. So I have the factory key. And again, this is for a question for people who are saying they can make a new key for your car. I actually have the key, so I don't need to make a new key. But can I start the vehicle and drive? So let me press the push button. And the car does not start. You can see the ready mode is not showing. Even though I'm going to press the push button again, the vehicle does not start. Now I'm going to enter my special pin code using the factory buttons. So it's not an external device, it's using the factory buttons. So it's pretty much invisible. And I'm going to hear a confirmation. And I saw a confirmation on the display. So you hear a confirmation and you see the confirmation. Now I'm going to press the push button again. And the vehicle goes to ready mode. And I have the car available, ready to drive. Remote starters are available for vehicles with hybrid engines and regular engines. Find us at Car System Installation. See you next time. Have a great day.